Claim about India banning all physical currency by 1st February 2025 goes viral. Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. Malayalam dailies have published an ad featuring RBI announcement that all transactions in India would transition to digital currency starting 1st February 2025. Following the 2016 ban on 500 rupees and 1000 rupees currencies, the latest advertisement has gone viral, creating a panic situation as the deadline mentioned is hardly 2 weeks to adhere the directive. See the claim on social media here. Fact check. Truth, totally false. The claim is an advertisement of a private university and not a government announcement. Fact check details. Since the claim is already shared widely with potential impact, Digit India took it up for scrutiny. First of all, RBI website or government notification is not there on any official channel nor any news coverage of the same. Such a development would have made invariably it to headlines. Following the translation of the advertisement using Google Lens, we realized that it was full of anomalies and lacks basic attributes or names. The ad, published in major Kerala newspapers such as Malayalam Manorama, Mathrubhumi, among others, carried the headline, Goodbye Notes, now digital currency in Malayalam. Here is an explanation about the ad describing it as a new initiative by Jain University.
ഇത് തികച്ചും ഞങ്ങളിത് മുന്നറിയിപ്പ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് പത്രത്തിൽ. ഇത് തികച്ചും എന്താ സാങ്കല്പികമായൊരു പത്രമാണ്. 2050 ലോകത്ത് എന്തൊക്കെ കാര്യങ്ങളായിരിക്കും നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്, എന്തൊക്കെ വിഷയങ്ങളിൽ മാറ്റങ്ങളാണ് നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് എന്ന സാങ്കല്പികതയോടെ ഇതൊരു ക്രിയേറ്റീവ് എക്സസൈസ് ആയിട്ട് മാത്രം കണ്ടാൽ മതി. ഈ സമ്മിറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഫ്യൂച്ചറിന് മുന്നോടിയായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ സമ്മിറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഫ്യൂച്ചറിനെ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഇവന്റ് ആണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഫ്യൂച്ചറിനെ ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഇവന്റ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ പല മേഖല.
And the ad claimed that RBI Governor Dr. Arvind Kumar, Finance Minister Rajiv Singh, and Leader of Opposition Anjali Mehra, which makes no sense as the current RBI head is Sanjay Malhotra, the Finance Minister is Nirmala Sitharaman, and the Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha is Rahul Gandhi. Finally, when we scrutinized the disclaimer, it stated clearly that it was an advertisement which is imaginary of the front page of a newspaper in 2050. See the advertisement disclaimer. The disclaimer reads, Notice, the front page news presented in the newspaper is fictional, created as part of the promotional campaign for the Summit of Future 2025, hosted by Jain deemed to be University in Kochi. This is an imaginative depiction of what the front page of newspapers might look like in 2050. Any resemblance to real events or reports is purely coincidental. The opinions expressed here do not reflect the views of Jain deemed to be University or its affiliated institutions. Hence, a futuristic and imaginary ad has created confusion and panic on social media platforms, and the ad format has intensified the impact. Later, Malayalam Manorama advertisement officials confirmed the ad was part of Jain University's promotional campaign and was not a news report. The same was reiterated by the Jain Varsity officials here. The local trade body Kerala Vyapari Vyavasai Ekopna Samiti also issued a statement criticizing the misleading front page ad, masquerading as news, regarding the ban on currency notes. Samiti President S.S. Manoj told media that the ad misused government offices and constitutional bodies like the Reserve Bank of India, and asserted that legal action would be initiated against the Jain, deemed to be University. Hence, the claim is totally false. Claim, a front-page advertisement in Kerala newspapers claimed that RBI will ban physical currency starting from 1st February 2025. Conclusion, totally false. The claim is an advertisement of a private university and not a government announcement. Rating, totally false. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.